zipline is definitely not for everyone, since fear is the enemy of anyone who wants to try this out. Zipline 不是任何人可以适用的。But the adrenaline rush and the experience of flying in the air is so much worth. Dahil sabi nga ng belayer, isigaw mo lang.
Sige sa camera.
Dito sa challenge na ito, masusubukan ang tapang at lakas ng loob ng ating mga host. At dito rin natin malalaman kung sinong team ang mananalo.
And we're back on our special episode, Chinoy Extreme. Based from our paintball challenge, the shy team aggressive just got 2 points, while the aggressive team Bravo got 11 points. This time, our last challenge is the zipline relay. So all the members have to go through that zipline. When they reach the other end, they have to run back to the home base. When the last member of the team reaches the home base, they have to do the cheer. So the fastest team wins 50 points, while the losing team again wins 20 points. So may the fastest team win. So let us start our challenge. Let the game begin. Go, 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 go. Guys, pagdating sa home base cheer,
Char. Ikot tayo. Paano ang cheer natin? Hindi na gano'n. Wala kang cheer. Sabaw na. Mom, Papa, I love you. Ati, I love you. Okay. Yeah, I'm speechless. Yung mga insurance policies ko nasa cabinet. Ayan na. Okay. We're taking a deep breath, huh? I'm not scared. I'm 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, let's go, guys. Go, Sherin. Kaya mo yan. Okay na. Napaka dito sa...
Ano ba na ako? Kaya ko to!
Sabay mo na. Ganun ulit. Ito yung mga... Ate, talon doon. Para mabilis.
Sa bawat sport, may nananalo at merong natatalo. Pero, ganun na lang ba yun? Abangan kung sino ang haharap sa special consequence na nakahanda para sa losing team.